सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Om. Page 245, verse 34. सप्तावस्था इमा सन्ति चिदाभासस्य तास्विमौ बन्धमोक्षौ स्थितौ तत्र तिस्रो बन्धः कृतः स्मृताः. Vidyaranya talking about the 7 stages of the jiva beginning from Ajnana onwards. Ajnana, Avarana, Vikshepa. All these are 3 stages cause for bandhana. Other 4 stages are cause for moksha. They lead to moksha. First he gave these 7 stages from the standpoint of Dashama Drishtanta, 10th man example. He gave the 7 stages. Ajnana, Avarana, Vikshepa, Paroksha Jnanam, Aparoksha Jnanam, Shoka Nivrittihi, Truptihi. All these in the case of 10th man we saw. Now we have to remember the 10th man story. Carefully we have to assimilate that story to claim I am the 10th man, that is Aham Brahma Asmi. In the example, 10th man, Dashamaha Ahamasmi. In the Ashtanta, Dashamaha Ahamasmi we should not say. What we should say? Brahma Ahamasmi. Kutastha Chaitanyam Ahamasmi we have to say. So those 7 stages I have to apply to me also in the Ashtanta for Jiva. So having said that 7 stages for Dashamaha, having said that 7 stages for Jiva, in the 34th sloka, among these 7 stages, first 3 of them are the Bandha Karanam. First 3 of them are Bandha Karanam. First one is Ajnanam, is the Bandha Karanam, number 1. Ignorance. Ignorance of what? Ignorance of Brahman, or ignorance of Atma, or ignorance of Kutastha, or ignorance of one's own real nature. We are all born with ignorance. Solidly we are all born with ignorance. Why this ignorance we need not ask? Because we are born with ignorance about our own nature. Therefore we have to understand who am I to lead a happy life. Why I have to study Shastra? To know my real nature. Why I have to know my real nature? Because I do not know my real nature. Why I do not know my real nature? Because I have ignorance. Why I have got ignorance? Because I am born with ignorance. So what? If you have ignorance about your real nature, you mistake yourself as something else. Once I miss the fact, the truth, I take what? Something else which is not fact. Once I miss the fact, the truth, to accept, to take myself. On the other hand, what I do, I take myself as something else. Once I miss the rope to see as rope, I see it as snake or something else which I am afraid of. So, Ajnanam leads to Avaranam, Avarana leads to Vikshepa. It will not stop. Irundhi pohatume Ajnanam, irkatume. Why I have to go and study Shastra? Let it be there. My ancestors also have got Ajnanam, my Tata, Kollu Tata, ellarume. They also had Ajnanam. So what? Here we have to understand very carefully. I miss the truth of anything. I take that as something else. Because of taking it as something else, I am afraid of that. In the example rope snake, I have mistook the rope as snake. Missing the rope, it has not stopped by itself with that. Missing the rope Ajnanam has not stopped with itself. That Ajnanam lead, that Avarana, rope is covered. Rope, Ajnanam is there, rope is covered, veiling. Immediately, what is the next consequent? Vikshepa. I see the snake upon the rope. Seeing the snake, I am afraid of. I want to run away. I scream. I shout. See the consequences in the example. Come to the Ashtanga. I am the Kutastha Chaitanyam. That's my real nature. In which Kutastha Chaitanyam there is no birth, there is no death, there is no disease, there is no old age, there is no fear, there is no insecurity, there is no unhappiness. That is my real nature. I have missed it because of ignorance. It is covered. Avaranam. Because of that Avaranam, I have mistook myself as what? Karta, Bhokta, I have birth, death, punya, papa, all other problems continuously, not one or two. My problems, my family members' problems, my whole relative problems, society problems, non-ending problems from when? From childhood onwards. Until womb to tomb. Shastra says it is not necessary. You need not suffer. You need not struggle. Really speaking, you have mistaken yourself. As ahankara chidabhasa jiva, you have mistaken yourself. That mistaken aham is called ahankara. If you understand ahankara, its real nature as aham, kutastha chaitanyam, no birth, no death, no old age, no disease, no problem. Now why people are suffering, understand? Because of only ignorance. That's what he says. Bandha karanam. This is called bandha. I have to do lot of prayaschitta karma. I have done lot of papa. I have pratyavaya papam. If I am not having, my spouse is having in a connection, no. Otherwise, my children, enude tala ilette prarabdha, and connecting to mamiyar, mamanar, nartanar, ellame, nar. Expansion. So once that Ajnana started here, it is expanding its roots like a banyan tree. Banyan tree spreads, it is very good. Adayar alamaram. Nice to see, it gives shade and you can enjoy. It is like a picnic spot. But our samsara alamaram expands. What you are nourishing there, and all problems you are nourishing. It is not a picnic spot. It is a sad spot. Worry. Vendapa, Shastra says. Another people say, I have no time. What? to know my real nature. Indirectly saying, I have no time to study Shastra. If you are telling, that means what? I have no time to know my real nature. I have no time to know that Trupti, Ananda. And working for what? Atrupti. Really working for Atrupti, thinking that it gives Trupti. What I am saying here, you come to the class, you get Trupti. No, Swamini. First let me fulfill my responsibilities, children, everything. Then only I get Trupti. I say you never get Trupti there. You get Trupti here only. That is mistaken I. You are searching for Trupti in the mistaken I area. I am telling you here Trupti you get really when you are understanding area this is. Understanding. This is very, very important. This is very important. So, bandha karanam, ajnanam, avaranam, vikshepaha. Look into the sloka. Saptavasthaha imaha. Kasya santi chidabhasasya. Chidabhasa is equal to jivaha. Jivasya saptavasthaha imaha. These 7 stages are there, santi. Tasu, among those 7 stages, between those stages, imau bandha mokshau sthitau. In these 7 stages only you can put 2 bandha and moksha. Where is your bandha moksha? In these 7 stages. Now you have to find out who are all bandha group, who are all moksha group. 7 stages. In those 7 stages only 2 goals, bandha and moksha. Some people ki bandha eva goal. In a lifelong they are in ignorance. What is goal? They are bandha only, bondage. So bandha moksha. Manayeva manushyanam karanam bandha mokshayoho. And the manasada ahankara and the chidabhasa, and the chidabhasa and the jiva, and the jivanukullada in the bandha mokshas are there. 7 stages. Bandha mokshau sthitau. Full stop. Tatra means in this bandha and moksha, tatra, 3 of them are bandhakritaha smritaha. 3 of them are cause for bandha, bondage. What are those cause for bondage? He is going to explain from 35 to 96. This bandha moksha, elaborate explanation. 35 to 96. Now you see saptavasthas are presented at 3 levels now. 23 to 28 from the standpoint of 10th man. Saptavasthas, first discussion. First discussion of saptavasthas 23 to 28. 10th man. Saptavasthas. Then second time he explained 29th shloka to 34th shloka. Second time Dashtanta Jiva Saptavasthas. From the Jiva standpoint Saptavastha. 29 to 34. Now he is starting again third time. So thorough explanation you see. How much he is explaining. Third time again he is talking saptavasthas. It is not so easy to understand these saptavasthas. You have to dwell upon them more elaborately from 35 to 96. 3 stages cause for bandha, 4 stages cause for moksha. I am going to explain. Illa saptavasthas explanation da. நமக்கு தெரியாது சப்தாவஸ்தான் அந்த 7 படி பார்க்கறல எல்லாம் கொலுவு படி அந்த ஐயப்பா படி தான் நமக்கு தெரியும். நமக்குள்ள ஒரு படி இருக்குன்னு தெரியாது நிறைய பேருக்கு. சுவாமிக்கு எத்தனை படி வச்சிருக்கான், சுவாமிக்கு எத்தனை படி, உனக்கு எத்தனை படி பாரு. How many padi stages you have, steps you have? 7 steps. For moksha, now you have to cross how many steps? 7 steps. 7th step is the moksha. First step, Ajnanathilindi start pandi. 7 steps. That is why our people always construct temples on the mountains and keep steps. Padi. Now just my exaggeration or imagination. Why these steps and climbing the mountains and going, life also, your sadhanas are also one by one steps. Finally it will take to that sanctum sanctorum, to that grihasthanam, Swami darshanam. Like that in your life also, karma yoga, upasana yoga, at ajnana level, avarana vikshepa level, you do sadhana, karma yoga, step by step, and go to upasana yoga. There also, varoksha jnanam, aparoksha jnanam, all will take place. You require lot of time, quality time. Then slowly, shoka nivritti, tripti is possible. Garbhagriha, sanctum, sanctorum, trupti. Yo veda nihitam guhayam. That is why when they give arati, what you do? Without fail, you close your eyes. Arati has given to see or to close your eyes. Tell me. Why we are doing, we do not know. Just like that we do hundreds of times. That is, the Jyoti, what you are seeing, is not outside. That is Atma Jyoti you recognize inside one day. That's why be religious first. A Nastika can never, a materialistic person can never recognize the Atma Jyoti. A religious person, that's why every Jnani is a religious person. Every religious person may not be a Jnani, need not be a Jnani. But every Jnani is a religious person. Understand? Therefore, religion, first beginning, it has to culminate into Jnanam. That is the design given by our ancestors, our Shastra. We have to tell our children this. Now they are in the name of science, modern science, they are just ignoring the religion. And they are becoming materialistic. Nallavana irunda pohada. Why I have to study Shastra? Why I have to worship God? I am a good person, straightforward person. I am a good person. Why all these worship and all? And they help so many people, and floods comes, like this time they serve so many ways. But they never be religious. And the religion annale avangalukku or allergy. You have read that article? In one place, one person, I don't want to keep any religious names to my children. I kept proton, neutron, electron. Enna paitham idu? Enna? You see, paitham endha alavu poradhu paathada ipo? And he is telling, I don't want my children to have any religious names. No religion name I keep. They are beyond religion. Therefore what? Proton, neutron, electron. Have you not read that news? Yeah, padingo. Day before yesterday paper. What is this? Tamil Nadu da adi engyo illa ingeda. What is this day? No. How the buddhi is working. Therefore, now he is starting bandha. Now to ajnana, avarana and vikshepa he is explaining first. Then he goes to other 4 stages. Now we have to read Shloka 35. Na janami tyudasinam vyavaharasya karanam vichara pragabhavena yuktam ajnanamiritam. That is why Prakarana Grandhas study is very, very important after completing Bhagavad Gita. Prakarana Grandhas you can understand only after studying Upanishads. He is analyzing Upanishadic mantra Brihadaranyaka. So, some Upanishad Jnanam, even though we have not studied Brihadaranyaka, here some of you have attended my Brihadaranyaka classes, where I took in T Nagar. Or you have to complete by listening to CDs. Or at least you have attended previous Upanishad other classes. 6-7 Upanishads I have taken here. At least that knowledge is possible only when you have Bhagavad Gita knowledge. Bhagavad Gita is important, Upanishad knowledge is important, Prakarana Grantha knowledge is important. All these important for what? To know my real nature. That who is having 7 stages. To study 7 stages, I must have some background. If not, I have not have clear-cut knowledge about Bhagavad Gita, it is difficult to understanding this text. You may listen, you may understand peripherally, outer level, but you cannot go deep into that, and grasping application is tough. That is why you spend your time. Now also it is not too late if you have not studied. Listen to my previous classes, Gita classes, Upanishads classes, all are available on CDs. Please listen if you want benefit. No, Swamini, this is enough for me. Okay. I am not compelling anyone. But if you want real benefit, you are a seeker of moksha, this jnanam I want in this life, if you are very, very clear in your decision, my suggestion is, may you look into previous Bhagavad Gita. Stop reading all other books. Don't read magazines, other books and all books. And what you have read, enough. Don't waste your time. However much you read any book from anywhere, from any Higginbotham's or any library, you never get trupti. Don't waste your time. Please listen to previous CDs and just clearly grasp the teaching and spend time, get trupti. The phalitam you will see that. In short, otherwise, this is responsibility of the teacher. You have to say. Otherwise, this is poor student. Enna theriyum paapam. Class vara ukkarran. The teacher should say what to listen, when to listen, how to get benefit. This is the teacher's responsibility. Students do not know that. When they come to the class, they do not know what to listen. One lady came to me day before yesterday, and she is telling, my husband never allow me to go to any class. So, that's why I am listening classes from internet of so-and-so Swamiji. And listening what? First is, Ishavasyopanishad. What she can understand. Whatever she feels, she is listening, Click panna bodum. Edi vedumanna adi varume. And listening, she is having umpteen doubts, confused, confounded. What to do? Therefore I said, listen, but come to me at least for some time and clear your doubts. She is having so many doubts. Ange appadi sonnaaru, inge eppadi sonnaaru. 5th standard padichu LKG padikirala, LKG padichu 5th standard povela. Or 10th standard after 5th standard, or after 10th standard, before 10th standard, 5th standard. Before 10th standard, 5th standard. Not after 10th standard, 5th standard. Similarly, the subject also properly developed. Whatever I like, I hear and click and hear, whoever says, wherever. It doesn't work. You are wasting your time. Therefore, many people are really unfortunate. Very few people are fortunate. You have to decide who are fortunate. I don't want to say. Which Upanishad you have to study? Have you completed Bhagavad Gita listening? I asked, no, Swamini. I am only in 10th chapter. 10th chapter, she is listening Panchadashi. Bhagavad Gita mudikila, Panchadashi eppadi puriyum? That is why, Swamini, I am confused. She is telling. Adi theriyum illiyo, you are confused and theriyadillaya. Therefore, don't click whatever available on internet. And you are more confused, I will tell you. It is better not to restudy. You get a wrong idea about scriptures if you listen like that. That's why we have to be with a guru. Acharyat vidita vidya sadhishtam prapat. In Chandogya Upanishad, Satyakama himself, the Sishya himself tells, hey Guru, without you I can never get phalitam of that knowledge. Whatever I have, I don't want. You have to teach me. He asks directly. Acharyat vidita vidya sadhishtam prapat. It gives results, full eye-to-eye contact. You have to listen from the teacher, then only it gives benefit. Not in kitchen room, click Swamini voice and rasam sambar listening. It won't work. Even driving time, you are not supposed to listen while driving. People while walking in the park, while cooking and all the time, listening. How it works? Such a mind cannot grasp. This is an aside topic. Important, I felt, that's why I am sharing with you. Now you see here, first stage, which is the cause for all other stages, is called Ajnanam. Go to the second line first. Vichara pragabhavena. The nature of Ajnanam he is talking. Now he is going to talk about each stage and its nature, its swabhava, what are the consequences. What is the first stage? Ajnanam. Why Ajnanam? Why ignorance at all about something? Because of lack of inquiry. When somebody is talking about Atma, Kutastha and all, this person turns his head and go. That is irrelevant for us. Irrelevant for me. Not interested in doing inquiry. Prag abhava. Vichara. Vichara means inquiry. Prag abhava means absence. Absence of inquiry. Pragabhavena. Vichara pragabhavena. Since he has not done any inquiry, has not shown any interest. Ade sale anna, lot of interest. Music season, lot of interest. And the page full, in the music season, nariya per out, class landi varave maata, classic varamata, class landi varamata, classic varamata. Yenna, adula interest irukum. They are not interested in inquiry into Kutastha. They are interested in inquiry into ragas. Or another season, another function, another something or other. Something or other, except Kutastha Vichara. They do inquiry about everything. Vichara pragabhavena. Since absence of inquiry is there, that leads to what? Even somebody is talking about Atma and all, Kutastha and all, let me go and listen what they are talking. Aha. Adella namak edukappa. Adella after white hair comes, then only. Nee class ku pora ippove mudi innum karupadane irukke. Still your hair is black, why you are going to Vedanta class? People consider going to Vedanta class means you must have white hair. This is normal general opinion of the people. When you are having black hair, don't go to class. That is for whom? Only for that people. Old people. Therefore, Vichara, we don't want. Vichara means not Tamil Vicharam. Okay, Vichara means inquiry. Since inquiry is not there, naturally, any ignorance is to be there until you do inquiry. Not only Atma Jnanam, Kutastha Jnanam, any ignorance, any Ajnanam, for that matter, computer Ajnanam, physics Ajnanam, any Ajnanam, as long as I am not interested in that, I am not interested to study. I am not interested to do inquiry upon that. I will have ignorance of that. Chinese ajnanam, French ajnanam, any ajnanam for that matter. Adi madri many people have what? Vichara pragabhava. This is not a subject. Namak illa idellame. Idu Samiyar Swami Ammaga namak illai. Enna madrida. What they are talking about Atma, I do not know. Why? You are not interested in inquiry. Therefore, you have that vichara pragabhava. Because of that, what you say? I do not know that Atma. Na janami. Go to the first line now. Since vichara pragabhava is there, since you are not interested in listening to Atma, nature, naturally what do you say? Na janami. I do not know. Why you do not know? Because you have not shown any interest to do inquiry. Chumma poi enakku Atma patti onnu theriyadu. Nee inquiry pannadane theriyum. Without doing inquiry, how can you know Atma? Without studying physics, can you know? Without studying music, you can talk about ragas, you can sing ragas. I don't know Mukhari raga. I don't know Athana raga, I don't know Hindola raga. Why? Na janami. Why? Tell me. Why you do not know music, dance? You have not learnt. You have not done any study, inquiry into that. Therefore, what do you say? Sangeetam na janami. Nrityam na janami. Naturally. Similarly, here also, do you know about Atma? Na janami. Why you have not come to the Bhagavad Gita class? Puriyadho? No, I want to start with Bhagavad Gita only. Enna adillamale panchadasha engi irukke. Na janami. Iti udasina vyavaharasya. Udasinam. Indifferent. Udasinam means what? Indifferent of Swamini talking. My wife is going to some classes. Husband is udasinam. Suppose husband is coming, wife is pava engeyo porar class. Andamma udasinam. Adida vyavaharam. Illaya? Udasinam indifferent. Adida udasinam. Ennuma padikiranga, ennuma podanga. They are indifferent to inquire into Kutastha. Therefore they say what? Na janami. Why this na janami comes? I do not know. The word comes in from their mouth because they are indifferent towards that Kutastha Chaitanyam. That is the vyavahara. That is the expression. Their expression, indifference. Because of indifference, they say, I do not know. Why they do not know? Because they have not done inquiry. Vichara pragabhavena na janami. Na janami. And means I don't know. That is because of udasina vyavahara. Anyone says I do not know Atma, that is because of lack of inquiry. That is lack of inquiry is lack of interest. Not punyam. Buddhi sari illa ani solla maata. எனக்கு இன்னும் புண்ணியம் வரணும் சுவாமி, மோட்சம் வரணும்னா புண்ணியம் வரணுமா? சங்கீதம் வரணும்னா யூ ஹாவ் டு கோ டு சங்கீதம் டீச்சர், isn't it? புண்ணியம் வரணும்னா தான் சொல்றேன். லேர்ன் மியூசிக் என்ன, தட் புண்ணியம் ஷுட் கம். We never say that. Am I right? Do you know dance? இன்னும் புண்ணியம் வரல சுவாமினி அனிதானே சொல்லுவேன். I have never gone to a dance teacher to learn. This is only you say, yes? But whereas this Atma Jnana Moksha topic comes, Moksha topic comes, what do we say? Anda punyam, inga anda punyam, adi varanama. Not going to the teacher, not studying, what type of statement is that statement? Do you say, do you know that chemistry, physics, இன்னும் புண்ணியம் வரல anu சொன்னா உங்க son or daughter, how do you feel? Your son or daughter, if you ask, do you know chemistry, physics? Suppose your son or daughter says, Amma, still I have not got that punyam. What do you say? Ennara punyam paithiyam anu solluvela illaya? நான் அதே சொல்ல போறேன். Swamini, when will I get moksha? When that punya kalam will come? If you ask, if any student, not you, if any student asks, what should I say? I have to say punya kalam will come soon. I have to say, you come to the class, should I say? You tell me. Punya kalam will come when it fructifies, moksha will come. Should I say that? Or you have to come to Panchadashi or Gita class, should I say? I have to say, come to the class. But what people say outside, what they talk, moksha comes when punya is ready. புரியுறதா? எவ்வளோ the thinking, no, so unintelligent thinking people. Na janami udasina vyavaharaha. Vyavaharasya karanam. It is the karanam, the cause of na janami, I do not know, is because of udasinam vyavahara. Means indifferent behavior. Towards what? Vichara pragabhavaha. There is no enquiry about kutastha. That is why the vyavahara is I do not know. Because the indifferent person. எப்படி தெரியும்? சும்மா எதனா லைட்டா தெரியறதுக்கு. Therefore, that's why najanami udasina vyavaharasya yuktam. Vichara pragabhavena yuktam najanami. That yuktam you have to join with vichara pragabhavena. Vichara pragabhavena yuktam means this najanami statement, I do not know about kutastha. This statement is associated with lack of enquiry. Lack of enquiry is because of indifferent vyavahara. Vyavahara means behavior. Their expression, their life, their way of approach is totally indifferent. The wife is going from so many years, she is studying and she is showing so much interest. Husband game varamatingradena. Oh, class po. Illana husband is coming, wife also can just think. Are they not having indifferent vyavahara? Tell me. Don't go and tell to your partners. சும்மா உங்களுக்கு புரியறதுக்காக சொல்றேன் நான். அதுதானே தவிர not that I am pointing out the others member of your life partner. I am not pointing out this vyavahara udasina. To understand only I am pointing out, not that why they are not coming class and ille. Okay, don't mistake me. Okay, you have to understand properly, take in a right sense, take in a right spirit. Okay, yuktam. This is called ajnanam iritam. What is called ajnanam? This is called ajnanam. How beautifully explained, This sloka we have to by heart. All are important slokas. What is ajnanam? Definition. Suddenly we ask, you must quote Panchadasi 7th chapter 35th sloka. Ani sollanum. Ajnana definition. You won't get anywhere in any Upanishad or Bhagavad Gita what is the definition of Ajnana. Beautiful presentation of Ajnana. Similarly, he is going to explain Avarana also. What do you mean by Avarana? So this is the creativity of Vidyaranya. His creativity is so excellent. Nowhere you find in any Prakarana Gandha also this much explanation, elaborate analysis of each word. You get only in Panchadashi. Okay. Now Ajnanam means what you know? You know. Don't say Malli again, I do not know about Ajnanam. I do not know about Ajnanam and Adur Ajnanam I know. Ajnanam definition. Vichara pragabhavena yuktam najanami udasina vyavaharasya karanam Ajnanam. That's whole sloka. பார்க்காமலே சொல்லிட்டேன். ஓகே, உங்களுக்காக படிச்சு எனக்கு வந்தது. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஆவரணம், செகண்ட் ஸ்டேஜ். அமார்கேண விசார்யார்த்த நாஸ்தி நோ பாதி சோத்யசௌ विपरीतं व्यवहृतिः आवृते कार्यमिष्यते. Now for each stage, one sloka, he is explaining. Avritihi, avrutehe karyam. See, now, atha. Atha means then, because of this ajnanam. Now you have understood what is ajnanam. Because of this ajnanam, atha, thereafter, amargena vicharya atha. Sorry, someone has done enquiry, but he has not done enquiry properly. Suppose. Amargena means fallacious, logical enquiry somebody might have done. Amargena means kumargena. Enquiry not done rightly, or enquiry not done rightly, not proper enquiry. Enquiry is not proper or not taken proper enquiry. Either enquiry is not proper or improper enquiry. There is no enquiry, or even enquiry they have done, that is also improper enquiry. Enquiry பண்ணாமலே இருக்கிறது ஒரு தப்பு, பண்ணா கூட தப்பா பண்றது இன்னொரு தப்பு. So somebody does enquiry, but they never study properly. Kumargena means without shastric declarations. Kevala sushka tarkena, somebody does enquiry, kumargena or amargena. Marg, mrg dhatu, 10th conjugation. Na marge anyatha, na margaha amargaha. Anyarthe nanj. Amargena, by wrong way. Enquiry is wrong. Enquiry in a wrong way. Amargena. Vicharya. Vichara means enquiry. Vicharyaya. Vicharya atha. Vicharyatha. Vicharya, done enquiry. Once you have done enquiry wrongly, what is that? Kutasthaha nasti. Kutasthaha na bhati. Why? You have not studied properly from a proper teacher. You have not used a proper means. You have not used proper means. Proper means what? Prasthanatrayam. Prasthanatrayam means what? Bhagavad Gita, Upanishad and Brahma Sutra. That is proper enquiry. That too with the help of Guru. Studying from the Guru you have to study. Taking the Prasthanatrayam proper means people take but they don't study properly and they use a lot of logic without the help of the Guru with the Swanta self-Guru. Call rise self-Guru. Some people, I heard one person, our self-Guru now. Yaar self-Guru? There is no self-Guru. Nee Guru aha mudiyadu. Purinjukom. Some people, after studying lot of scholarship and all, vandadukku appuram poi oru swamini amma munnadi ukkarradha. That too female. Adu vere. Idella oru egoistic ga irukum. Sila perku. Not all people, some people. After studying this much, such a status quo person I am, can I go and sit in front of that? And that also, muttival irundada chair mele ukkaron solluvan the Swamini amma, na poi keela ukkaranama. Idella nadakadappa. First you have to give up all your name, fame, scholarship, degrees, everything with your chappal and come inside. Appuda idu puriyum. இல்லைன்னா புரியாது. பரவாயில்ல, நானே ட்ரை பண்றேன்னா அமார்கேண விசாரியா அத. So okay, go try if you want. There is no other way. Nanya pantha ayanaya vidyate. There is no other way. You have to come. That is why renouncing one's own ego is so difficult. The moment you renounce your ego, ahankara, only this aham is possible. And the ahankara vidamatam in the aham varadu namakku. Rendu ore edathila irukke. Kotasthana in the body mind complex, one place they are. But people are not ready to renounce. But they are ready to renounce class. They are ready to renounce the study from a guru. That is called amargena. Not doing proper inquiry with proper means. Then what is the result? Nasti kutasthaha. Kutasthaha you have to supply. Nasti, no bhati. No bhati means not English, no. Na bhati. Kutasthaha is not there. Kutastha, because Kutastha is not experienced by me. Chet iti asau. Asau viparita vyavahritihi. This is that called viparita vyavahritihi. Viparita means what? Kutastha is there, Kutastha is experienced. Instead of saying opposite, he says, what? Kutastha is not there because I am not experiencing Kutastha. This is contradictory statement. Because of lack of inquiry. Lack of inquiry is because of udasinatvam. Because of udasinatvam, he says what next? Avarana. Na bhati. Na janami, first he said. Therefore, na asti now. Since I do not know, there is no Kutastha. Since Kutastha is not there, hey children, I have never seen Kutastha. I have never come across Kutastha Chaitanyam, Atma Chaitanyam, Enamo Atma, 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 Apnoti, Atti, Attati, Atma, Atma, children. It is not there. Because it is not experienced by me. This statement is because of what? Viparita vyavahritihi. This contradictory vyavahara. Vyavahriti means what? Expression. This contradictory expression, viparita, means viparita vyavahritihi. V plus pari plus e dhatu. Viparita. Tapratyantam vyavahriti means expression. This type of expression, avrutehe karyam. Ajnanam is karanam. In the above sloka what he said? Karanam. Ajnanam udasina vyavaharasya karanam vichara pragabhava. Therefore he said najanami. Then that is karanam, ajnana karanam. Karyam is what? Avaranam. Therefore karyam ishyate. Avarana is the karya, an effect of ajnanam. Karyamishyate. This is the function of avritihi. Avritehe karyam. Avritehe, the effect of avarana is what? Najanami na bhati. I do not know because I do not experience it. This is called the effect. This expression is called effect of avarana. Avarana is because of ajnanam. Ajnanam is because of indifference in inquiry. Then next, vikshepa. Dehadvaya chidabhasa rupo vikshepairitaha कर्तृत्वाद्यखिलक्षोकः संसाराख्योऽस्य बन्धकः. Whatever he said in 30th verse, what about vikshepa? The same word he used here. Kartrutvadi akhila. Kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam is called vikshepa. We saw in the 30th shloka. The same he is repeating, and he is putting a hair-splitting word here for vikshepa. First let us see the second line. Kartrutvadi akhilaha. Kartrutva means doership. Adipadat bhoktrutva, enjoyership. Doing any duty, responsibility is called kartrutvam. I am the doer. Then result, whatever it comes, I am enjoying, it is called bhoktrutvam. So kartrutvadi akhilaha, all transactions, and these are all, akhilaha means the kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam, all of them. Dehadvaya chidabhasa rupaha. What are all there in this? I am the doer, I am enjoying, so and so result is going to come. Who are all there in this, in this party group? I am the doer, I am the enjoyer. This is there for all of them, people having. In this notion, in this thought, who are all included? He says in the first line, Dehadvaya chidabhasa rupaha. Dehadvaya means a gross body, subtle body. Sthula shariram, sukshma shariram included. RM1, RM2 plus chidabhasa. RC. So RM1, RM2, RC. Put together. Once they join together only, kartrutva, bhoktrutva will come. So jiva means chidabhasa. Chidabhasa to form, who is required? Sukshma Sariram is required. Manas is required. To Manas, to grasp that reflection, to function, to say kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam, it requires sthula shariram, gross body. So sthula sharira, sukshma sharira, then only chidabhasa is formed in the mood saying the I am the doer. நான் தான் பண்றேன். நீ என்ன பண்ற? நான் தான் பண்றேன். அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு இது, அந்த பலம் நமக்கு தான் வரணும்னா இந்த பாவம் வரத்துக்கு மூடி இருக்கணும். இந்த பர்சனாலிட்டி, கிராஸ் பாடி, அந்த உள்ளுக்குள்ள இருக்கிற ஈகோ, இந்த சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரம், மனசு, அதுக்குள்ள இருக்கிற அகங்காரா. ஸோ அகங்காரம் to be there, Sukshma Shariram is required. Sukshma Shariram to function, Sthula Shariram is required. Dehadvaya. Now you see, Dehadvaya Chidabhasa Rupaha. RM1 and 2 plus Chidabhasa. Dehadvaya Chidabhasa. Put together Jivaha. Jiva and Channale Chidabhasa. Chidabhasa is possible when there is subtle body. Subtle body can function only when there is gross body. Dehadvaya chidabhasa rupaha jivaha. From that jiva only kartrutvadi, kartrutva, bhoktrutva, all will come. Then what comes? Shokaha also comes. Samsarakhyaha. This is called samsara. First samsarakhyaha. RM1, RM2 chidabhasa put together. Jiva, once jiva comes, jivatvam, that bhavana leads to number one, samsarakyaha. This is known as samsaraha. The jivatva buddhi samsaram. Adhitane karana ellathukume. So jiva akhila, samsarakyaha, number one. Then kartrutvadi akhilaha. Kartrutva, bhoktrutva, sukha, dukkha, all. Number 2. Then shoka, number 3. Bandhakaha, that which binds. All these put together, they cause for binding. All these 4 put together, vikshepaha, iritaha. This is called vikshepa, distraction. So we can call in short, jiva, vikshepa is equal to jiva. புரியுறதா? விக்ஷேபம் வந்ததே என்ன? I have vikshepa. Who are all there vikshepa? Samsarakhyaha. Then what? Next one, kartrutvadi akhilaha, shokaha, bandhaha. Put together vikshepaha. All vikshepa possible where? In jiva. Jiva means who? Dehadvaya chidabhasa. Now we understand what is vikshepa. Vikshepa is equal to jiva is equal to in whom samsara is there, kartrutva, bhoktrutva are there, shoka is there, bandha is there. This is called vikshepa. And samsaram anartham. சம்சாரம் மகாசாகரம், சம்சாரம் ஒரு மின்சாரம். இதுதான் விக்ஷேபம். அழகா எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணிட்டார். வீட்டுக்கு போய் திருப்பி 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 படிக்கணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. அஜ்ஞானமாவ்ருதிஷ்சைதே விக்ஷேபாத் ப்ராக் பிரசித்யதஹ யத்யப்யதாப்யவஸ்தேதே விக்ஷேபஸ்யைவ நாத்மனா. அஜ்ஞான ஆவ்ருதிஹி ஏதே. Now the question arises. Question is not presented. The question is Vidyaranya just raising and giving answer. See, Chidabhasa, Dehadvaya Chidabhasa, only Jiva you are telling. Now Vikshepa is Jiva. Vikshepa is which stage number? 1 or 2 or 3? 3. In third stage only Jiva born. Yes? Now where is the question of first stage Ajnanam and Avaranam? Moodav stage ladane Jivane vanda. Jivan has got Ajnanam, Avaranam you are telling. Idu nallave illiye. Jiva born here. Where? In Vikshepa only. Once the Vikshepa means what? Shoka, Bandha, Samsara and Kartrutva, Bhoktrutva, only Samsara, that is called Vikshepa, that is called because of Jiva. Jiva is called Dehadvaya Chidabhasa, you said. Now picture has to start from here only. The previous 2 slokas are irrelevant. Ajnanam and Avaranam. Yen? Innu Jiva porakave illa. Ippuda poranda. Jiva porakkarthu munnadiye அஜ்ஞானம் ஆவரணம் பேசிட்டே. அந்த சந்தேகம் நமக்கு வருதா? வித்யாரண்யா raised that. Now you see, Jiva is born in Vikshepa only. Vikshepa is third stage. In third stage only Jiva has taken place. How can you say these 2 avasthas are there? Sapta avasthas are there for Jiva, you said previously in Dashtanta. Saptadasha, when you were talking, Jiva has got how many stages? 7 stages you said. Now Jiva is starting from third stage. நமக்கு வந்ததா இந்த கொஸ்டின்? ஒரு பூர்வபக்ஷிக்கு வந்தது. அதுக்கு வித்யாரண்யர் giving answer. Look into the shloka. அஜ்ஞான ஆவ்ருதிஹி ஆவ்ருதிஷ்ச ஏதே. These 2, அஜ்ஞானம் first stage in Saptadasha and Avarana the second stage of Saptadasha. In 7 stages, so first and second one is 1 and 2 are Ajnanam Avarana. These 2, ete Vikshepat Prak Prasidhyataha. Vikshepat Purvam. Prak means Purvam, before. This is very clear, well known. These 2 are before Vikshepa. What? Ajnanam and Avarana. These 2 are before Vikshepa only. Now how can you say this Vikshep, all these 2 stages are included in Jiva's life? Chidabhasathukulla irukku eppadi solla mudiyum? Yadyapi, for that Vidyaranya answer. Yadyapi, even though, Yadyapi, atha api, still, even though both of them are before Vikshepa. Who are they before Vikshepa? Ajnana Avarana. First and 2 stages are before Vikshepa only. I know that, Vidyaranya says, I know that even though they are before Vikshepa only, te Vikshepasyaiva na Atmana. That Purvapakshi want to say, let me say that Ajnana Avarana in Atma, because Jiva came later only. Vikshepa, Jiva came later only. Why can't we say that 2 stages are in Atma? Vidyaranya says, no. Even though they are before Jiva, the Vikshepa, these 2 stages, both are in Vikshepa only, not belong to Atma. Na Atmanaha, but Vikshepasyaiva. They both are belong to Vikshepa only. How they belong to Vikshepa? In the next class. పూర్ణమదః పూర్ణమిదం పూర్ణాత్ పూర్ణముదచ్యతే పూర్ణస్య పూర్ణమాదాయ పూర్ణమేవావశిష్యతే. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. హరి ఓం. శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. హరి ఓం.